In this video, I'm going to show you 3 super useful Firefox tips: how to close duplicate tabs, how to stop Firefox from opening automatically when your computer starts, and how to translate selected text in Firefox with just a few clicks. These are quick changes, but they can make your browsing cleaner, faster, and much easier to manage. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Firefox tips, and let's get started. First, let's clean up duplicate tabs. Firefox has a built-in option that can help you find and close extra tabs when the same page is open more than once. Look at the top of your browser window and click the List All Tabs arrow. This shows you the tabs currently open in Firefox. From there, you'll see an option called Close Duplicate Tabs. Click that and Firefox will automatically keep only the latest copy of identical web pages. This is great if your browser has gotten messy and you want to quickly organize your tabs without closing everything one by one. Next, let's stop Firefox from launching automatically when your computer starts. If Firefox opens every time you turn on your PC and you don't want that, the fix is simple. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, click the Startup tab. This section shows all the apps that are set to run when Windows starts. Find Firefox in the list, right-click on it, and then click Disable. That will stop Firefox from opening automatically at startup, so your computer should boot a little cleaner and faster. Now, let's move on to translation. If you often read websites in different languages, adding a selective text translation tool to Firefox can save a ton of time. Open Firefox, then click the menu button in the top right. From there, go to Extensions and Themes. On the Extensions page, click Extensions, then use the search bar and type Translate Selected Text. Once you find it, click on the extension, then choose Add to Firefox. Firefox will ask for confirmation, so click Add one more time to install it. After the extension is installed, go to any website and select the text you want to translate. Then right-click on the highlighted text and choose Translate. It's that easy. Instead of translating an entire page, you can translate only the words or sentence you actually need, which is really useful for research, reading articles, or understanding content in another language. So to quickly recap, you can use Firefox's tab tools to close duplicate tabs, stop Firefox from starting automatically through Task Manager, and install a translation extension to translate selected text whenever you need it. These are simple Firefox settings and tools, but together they can make a big difference in your daily workflow. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Firefox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.